Hi, I'm Dean.
And I'm Ann. We are A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it.
So what we have started or restarted to do is place some more logs for the log cabin. We're doing pretty good. It's a learning curve again. We're restarting with the same tools, but we got to relearn everything after, what was it, 4, 5, 6 months? 6 months of just waiting for the weather to get a lot better.
So we're a little rusty,
Yep.
but we're moving along anyhow.
Yep.
Here you see Dean using the Kubota, moving a few of the beams out of the way so that we can actually put the new beams up.
These beams will actually be used for the hallway cross members if you want, in the cabin build or the home build if you want.
And now you can see images of where we started today, and at the end of the day you'll see the progress that we've made as well.
We've put probably 5 logs up today,
which is very good for our first day, considering we didn't have all our tools in place and getting everything organized. As you can see here, Dean's moving one of the logs, bringing it into the work area so that we could actually prep it for installation, which includes routering, as you can see me doing right here. I'm going through the log, routering 2 lines to put the hanoban or the seal down for the logs, which the log is upside down because we flip it over to install it so the water gets into the groove and rots the wood. As you can see, I brush off the excess debris and then I install the hanoban. Then we place it on top of the other log and recess the screws and then screw it in so that it's secured. As I'm doing this, Dean is bringing in more logs to prep for installation so that we're not wasting any time. Here I'm driving the Kubota, lifting the log while Dean, I need his muscle to take the logs off and install them on to the existing wall so that he's got more muscles and manpower than I do. As you can see here, Dean is also trimming the logs, making sure they fit nice and tight in the corners so that we can actually have a good seal for the walls. So he's using the chainsaw. The kitchen or the south wall is now even with the garage, so that was our accomplishment for the day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.